Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing our Boxycharm unboxing for September. This box is $21 a month. You get 4 to 5 full-sized products valued at $100 or more, and then you also earn charms to spend in the charm shop. You can get other cool products with those. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and hop right into it. Okay, so when you open this box up, it looks just like this. You'll get a little card that has a theme on it, as well as all the products that we'll be getting in today's box, as well as their values. Okay, so it looks like this month's theme is Wildflower. And then here's everything we're getting. I'm not gonna look at that. I don't want to be spoiled by that, so let's go ahead and just open it up. Okay, so the first thing I'm seeing in here is from Laura Geller. I have never tried anything from Laura Geller, but I do know it is a cruelty-free brand. So this is a baked Blush-n-Brighten in the shade Tropic Hues. So it's got a little mirror in it right there, and then that's just what it looks like. So it's kind of got like that marbled kind of texture to it. So I'll go ahead and swatch this. Feels very soft. It's got like a little iridescent on it, if you can see that on my finger. Oh yeah, it's definitely, let's see if the camera can pick that up. It's very reflective. So you could probably use this as a blush, or if you have the skin tone for a pink highlighter. Let's see. This is valued at $28. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to pull out are some brushes. Look just like that, a set of 3 brushes. This is from Alamar Cosmetics. We did receive a palette from Alamar from Boxycharm a couple months ago that I really liked, so let's see how these brushes feel. They are super, super soft. Wow, they feel really, really nice. So we have like a straight packed, like maybe like an eyeliner brush. This is like the kind of brush that you would maybe wet to use on your eyelid. It's like just a packed flat brush. And then we have a little fluffy brush. This one's like so soft. So this is called the Ojitos brush set. It is cruelty free. So let's see, it's telling me the brushes are, okay, so a flat painter brush effortlessly applies color onto your lids. Okay, so it's telling me that this is the flat painter brush, which applies color onto your lids. And then this is for the tight liner, the small little one, and then the fluffy one is for blending. So, but if you're like me, you can do whatever you want with blushes. I use all sorts of different brushes for whatever I feel like. So, but that's the recommendation for these. So yeah, they're really cool. I love the colors on them, the green, and then the metal on them is like a rose gold. So that's cool. I really like those. Those are valued at $18. Okay, so the next thing I am seeing in here is from Butter London. It is a roll-on precision liner. I have never tried anything from Butter London, but I do know they are also cruelty-free. So there's that. So let's go ahead and open it up and see. Oh goodness, this is like, who came out with it? Is it Sephora? Somebody came out with a roller liner like this, where it's just like a little ball on a wheel. Oh, I don't think I'm going to use this, but let's go ahead and try it out and see how it goes. I mean, it made pretty precise lines down there. It's very, very liquidy. It's very wet liner, which is not typically my preference. Honestly, don't know if I'm going to be able to use this. I will try it out, but I'm already not the best at putting on liner, let alone on a wheel, but maybe I'll be amazed. This is valued at $19. Okay, so the next thing I'm seeing is from Hank and Henry. Okay, so this looks to be, oh cute. The little logo on the bottom. It's a little owl, I think. Isn't that cute? Okay, so this is, it says liquid lipstick, but It looks like not a liquid lipstick, but let's see. It's Lip Aesthetic Matte Liquid Lipstick in Petal Pusher. I guess it is a liquid lip. Let's see if I can get it open without... Am I doing this wrong? Oh, let's twist. Oh, how interesting is this? Okay, so you look at this and think, oh, that's just normal lipstick, but it's got the little, wow, that is, I love the packaging on that. How cute is that? So let's go ahead and swatch this color. Mine feels a little dried out, but maybe I just need to... The applicator on it is very fluffy, is the only way I can describe it. It's like triangular, but like real poofy at the same time. Okay, so the color is very pretty. It's like a, it looks more pink on camera, but it's almost like a light berry color is what I would call it. I really like the color a lot. I definitely will wear this. I'm not sure if this brand is cruelty free, but if it is, I will definitely use this. This is valued at $17. Sorry if the lighting is changing. The sun is going down, which apparently really pisses Josie off. Okay, so I have one more thing in here. This is a eyeshadow palette from Pretty Vulgar. Pretty Vulgar is cruelty free. I have received a couple things from them, but I know for sure a blush. So the palette is called Nightingale. It feels really heavy. So it's got a little mirror up there, and then I can't bend it back to show you the colors without seeing yourself. So there's what the palette looks like. So it's like a little birdcage theme in there. It's definitely right up my alley with like a lot of neutrals. There is like a cool blue color in here. I can go ahead and swatch a few of these for you. All right, so there's a couple of them on my hand. I'm not gonna lie, I don't think these swatch very well. This color right here is the only one that's really good swatching, and that one's called Clutch. It's definitely an eyeshadow palette that's right up my alley. Okay, and this is valued at $35. Let's go ahead and do some quick math and we'll figure out the value of this box. So the total retail value of this box is $117, which is not bad when you're only paying $21. I'm most excited about the palette. I always enjoy trying out new palettes, especially ones I've like from brands I've never tried. Like I've tried their blushes, but not their eyeshadow. So I'm excited for that. Super pumped about the brushes. They're really cute, and I just love getting brushes. And then the liquid lip, if it's cruelty free, I'm really, really excited to play with that. I love the color a lot. The blush isn't bad. I mean, I definitely will try it. I'm not really into shimmery, you know, reflective blushes, but maybe I can make it work for me. And then this thing, I'm just sort of iffy about the roll-on liner. It's just, I just remember seeing, I can't remember the brand, but I remember seeing one and people hated it, but maybe they made this one amazing. So I will definitely try that out. So yeah, that's all I have for today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, more unboxings, more occasional barking dogs in the background, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there, and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.